Happy Valentine's Day everyone! Since iba nga talaga yung gusto ko, I really like to have my own helmet. Ayan, yung kasing kulay ni Champ, yung I have my motorcycle is gray. So I need to have my own helmet. So we will try to look for a gray. Okay, samahan nyo ako dito. Ayan, let's go. Let's get inside, guys. Let's go. Oh. Push. And of course, tadaan! There's a lot of helmet, guys. Okay. So, I will choose gray. Ayan, ganito. Gray, and I don't like pink, I don't like white, I don't like black. Okay, what I need is, I think this one. Yes, not to think. Can they have them Lady Boss, and I need this also. Okay, I choose already. Pero ang gaganda talaga ng helmet nila. This is all original, guys. And tara, samahan niyo ako maghanap ha. This is their store. Ang dami mo pwedeng pagpilian, and as you can see, guys, I really like gray since Champ Gray is a gray, so I need to choose gray. Next time I will buy this. It's so expensive, guys. Very expensive one. Like this is around 100 US dollars. 100 US dollars. Soon I want to have this soon. Very soon, okay? This one is the local, I don't know, Ryzen. Okay, yung ate is there. And since I cannot talk, I think no need this one. Only helmet. This one is nice also. This one, maybe next time also. So, I will try to get one for me. Syempre, dito lang yun. Ang dami, guys. As in, sobrang dami. Okay. So, ayan. Nakapili na nga ako, ha. We will bring this, This is the free, guys. It's free. And this one, I will buy this for, I think, $200. Okay. And, gusto ko sana sukat to. Okay. Susukat ko. Okay. So guys, ito yon. Okay. Hindi ko talaga alam ito gamitin. My God. How to open this. Okay. Suot ko ha. Lang tatayo ako. This is XL. So can you see, guys? Kala po nakikita ko pa yung mukha ko eh. You see? I feel I can't breathe. Meron pa isa nito, hindi ko alam ibaba. Okay, so that's it. It's nice, right? Hindi ako makahinga. But I really need this for my own protection. Okay, so we'll buy this one. Let's go for this. I'll say that, guys. I feel like, looks like a Power Ranger. Okay, let's buy this. And of course, thank you so much to Hayden. A Valentine's gift for myself, okay? Magaling na natin. Ang init. Okay. Hindi ko na kaya, but anyway, I really need this one for my own protection. So we will buy this. Together with this, ayan. Panglinis siya, guys. Okay, let's go. Nahilo ako dun na. Parang hindi talaga ako sanay mag-helmet, guys. Hindi nakakahinga yung utak ko sa loob. Okay, that's it, guys. Let's, bayaran na natin ito para umuwi na ako. I would like to say also thank you to the sales lady here. If you really wanted to visit their store, you can message me by Gmail. Tuturo ko sa inyo kung saan to. Alam ko namang interesado din kayo. I really like this, okay? Message me in my Gmail, guys. Bye-bye. And thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. A Valentine's gift for myself. Ibo helmet, guys. Ayan. Sama na natin to. Uwi na natin sila. Nahilo ako dun.